slime.
We are going to be making hot Cheeto crunchy slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just did our first slime was our other video, the green slime. We'll link it down below. So we're just, yeah, Jordan's is perfect, so we kept it in a jar. Mine I threw out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to make this hot Cheeto slime that we found through, what's her name?
Karina Garcia.
It's the slime queen. So you ready?
Let's get into it. We don't really do any measurements. We kind of just like
wing it.
Wing it. So let's, hopefully it works out for me for a second time.
A second time.
A second time. How did you switch with me?
Huh?
She stole my glass bowl.
Oh, here, you want it?
No, no, no. Maybe this will work out for me. She took it because she thought since I made it in it last time.
No, I
bowl.
And we brought acrylic paint because that's what she used in the video. Because according to her, red food coloring has it's like leads to cancer and stuff. So.
Yeah, so we're gonna use
acrylic
paint. You have the paint. Hurry.
Is that too much? Here you go.
No, I don't think so.
I think so. And then you just gotta mix it up. Oh, you can't even see me.
I need a little stick.
You just gotta mix it till it's perfectly blended.
Yeah, let's move everything so you can see us. I think I put a lot of paint.
Me too, look.
Like a lot. At least it'll be like extra red, right?
Yeah. Now this time around, I'm gonna try to use measurements. So you know what?
Look at how red it is. Ooh.
One, I don't know, teaspoon of this. There you go.
Thanks, baby.
Don't try to steal my measurements.
Yeah, whatever. I did it first. Oops.
And then basically you're just gonna keep stirring until there is no longer any baking soda. I got baking soda. I got baking soda. Whip it through the glass.
We have put too much.
I didn't do it. I broke that so you can scoop it and not.
Ah, that's what you did.
Whatever. And now we're gonna go ahead and do.
Ready?
Well, you're just doing it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do. Did she say? Whatever, I'm winging it. And then it starts to come together.
I'm just like winging this shit. Ew, get off, get off, get off. Some more. Oops, it got on me.
Jordan thinks because she winged it last time that she could just keep winging slime.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
It was on my nails though. This looks bloody.
This is really hard.
Yeah, right? This one feels like tougher than the last. The hell? Ew, get off.
So there we have it. We have our slime.
I'm not done.
Well, I'm done because I'm the best.
You lost the last one.
Oh, this smells good.
Does it?
Yeah, smell it.
Oh, it smells like acrylic paint.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm done now. Kind of sticky, but then it's not because it comes off.
Yeah, do what I did. Just like put it back in there and sucked up the rest of the contact solution.
Now we have to add in the hot Cheetos.
Yes, the hot Cheetos.
Ready?
Yes. So basically what you're gonna do is I am gonna remove my glass. I made a huge mess. I'm gonna put it on my table.
Same.
I'm gonna spread it out a little bit.
You're supposed to do that?
No. I don't follow instructions.
I love hot Cheetos, so the fact that I'm wasting them in slime. Look at my green perfect one. Are you just sitting there eating them?
I love hot Cheetos. So you're gonna go ahead and crush them.
Baby.
I'm gonna pour some into your slime.
That's what she said to do. I got hot Cheetos on my shirt.
I wasn't really paying attention to the end of the video. I just wanted to know how to make the slime.
Alright, you think my slime
And then I'm gonna go and I'm
to add some hot Cheetos?
See how gooey mine is? I'm gonna go and fold it like an omelet. Fold it again like a burrito. Oh shit, it's breaking.
I got some Cheetos in my hair. I'm a mess.
I'm going to knead.
They're probably watching this like fucking pig bitches. Look at this table.
It's alright, we don't eat on this table. This is like our challenge reaction video table. And then you go and... That's a big piece. And it smells amazing.
There's really Cheetos in this shit. I'm trying to break them up into smaller pieces.
Let me give you guys a close-up of my slime while Jordan's breaking up hers.
Ew, that looks gross.
A Cheeto just flew off of it, but...
I'm still adding Cheetos to mine. Look. Ew, there's like a Cheeto poking out of it.
I didn't really crush mine well, so I have like whole Cheetos coming out of mine.
Look. Me too.
Slime is really fun to make once you like get the hang of it. Look at this.
This is the first time we've ever tried. Ew, baby, your thing looks like
Cheetos!
a disease. Sorry.
Cheetos! Let's put them together.
What, mixed together?
Yeah.
Will you hear it? It's like crunchy. You can crunch it up.
I wonder if it tastes like...
Babe.
Tastes like glue.
She just licked it. This is my Cheeto slime, guys.
This is my Cheeto slime, guys. Ah, freak.
I think I did pretty well.
I think we did an amazing job. Give this video
first 2 slimes.
a thumbs up if you agree that we did an amazing job with our slime.
And we should continue making slimes.
Yeah, I'll make any kind of slime you guys want me to make. You just gotta let me know.
Yep.
Let me know, because I'm the slime master. After 2 slimes.
I'm the slime master after 2 slimes. 2 successful slimes.
Alright, well that'll be the end of this DIY because my thing is like falling apart now. I'm like throwing Cheetos.
Mine isn't. Look guys. Is that my bag? Hello.
Alright, well,
this smells good.
thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. And thank you for getting our last slime video at over 200 likes.
Yes.
We highly appreciate it. Sorry we've been gone for so long, but we back now.
And we're back with a lot more interesting videos.
Yeah, any challenges, DIYs, anything you want to see us do, just comment it down below and we'll get the stuff and we'll just figure it out for you guys, alright?
This is so dope. Anyways, guys, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter to keep up with everything we do, everything we plan on doing, and just to keep up with us in general. And follow us on Snapchat.
It will be right over here somewhere, and our personal Twitters and personal Snapchats will be in the description down below.
Down below.
Alright, thank you. Bye.
First off, baby, I'm too wavy for all this bullshit that you bring me. And I done denied you way before this, but God, I was back and now you're gorgeous, oh no.